Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to understand place value for year 2 students. Let's get started. Place value. We have three places right now: ones, tens and hundreds. If we say a number 100, then 100, this 0 is at ones place, this 0 is at tens place, and this 1 is at hundreds place. Let's write down here first. This is at ones place, this is at tens place, and this one is at hundreds place. Let's write down here. Ones place is 0, tens place is 0, and the hundreds place is 1. 100 is also written as 100. 100 means multiplied by 100. So 1 is multiplied by 100. And if you multiply 1 by 100, your answer is 100 only. If we say the number 200, then this 0 is at ones place. Let's write down here. This is at ones place. This 0 is at tens place. Let's write down here. Tens place. This 2 is at hundreds place. Let's write down 100. Let's put the values here. Ones place is 0. Tens place is 0. Hundreds place is 2. 200 is also written as 2 and 100. 100 means 100. If I multiply 2 with 100, 2 multiplied by 100, my answer will be 200 only. If I say the number 248, then this 8 is at ones place, this 4 is at tens place, and this 2 is at hundreds place. Let's place the values here. Ones place is 8 here, tens place will be 4, and 2 is at hundreds place. Let's write down here also. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundred place. 2 is at hundreds place and is written as 200. The value is what? 2 multiplied by 100, because it is at hundreds place. This will be answered as 200. 4 is at tens place and this is written as 4 tens. Tens means 10. That means 4 should be multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 40. This is the place value of 4. 8 is at ones place and is written as 8 ones. The value is 8 ones. Ones means 1. Let's multiply 8 with 1 and your answer will be equal to 8 only. If you add all of them, 200, 40 and 8, if you add them, let's add it here. 200 plus 40 plus 8. You don't know how to add it? Let's add it here. 200, 40 will be at ones and the tens place, and 8 is at ones place. Now add it. 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, and 2 as it is. So 248. So you will get your number back. Let's write down here again 248. Let's see one example here. In the number 358, the digit 8 is at dash place. Place means at what place? Ones place, tens place or hundred place. So 8 is at ones place. Let's write down the answer here as ones place. The value of the digit 3 is what? He is asking us the value of digit 3. First we will see that 3 digit is at which place. The digit 3 is at 100 place. The value is 300. Or 100 is 100 only, so multiplied by 100 and the value will be written as 300. The value of the digit 5 is, 5 is at which place? 5 is at tens place. So the value of digit 5 is 5 tens. Tens means 10. Let's multiply 5 with 10 and your answer will be equal to 50. So the value of digit 5 is 50. 50. The digit 3 stands for. So the 3 stands for, let's write down the answer as 300. Let's see the next question here. In the number 539, the digit dash is in the hundreds place. So at hundreds place, what is the digit? 100 places, this is ones, tens and 100. 100 place is digit 5. Let's write down the answer here. 100 place is digit 5. The digit in the tens place is. Tens place is which digit? Let's see that this is ones place, this is tens place. Tens place is digit 3. Let's write down the answer here. 3. Let's see the next question here. In the number 189, the digit dash is in the ones place. So ones place is which digit? This is ones place. Ones place is digit 9. Let's write down the answer as 9 here. The value of the digit 1 is. He's asking the value of 1. 1 is at 100 place. So the value of digit 1 is 100. You can write down the answer in two ways. Either you write down 100 or you can write down 100. That will be your answer. Let's see the next question here. In the number 207, the digit in the dash place is 0. 0 is at which place? Ones place, tens place. The digit 0 is at tens place. Let's write down the answer here as tens place. The digit 2 is in the dash place. 2 is in 100 place. This is ones, tens and 100. So 2 is at hundreds place. Let's write down the answer here. The digit 2 is at hundreds place. The value of the digit 0 is. 0 is at which place? Tens place. So the value of the digit is 0 tenths. Let's write down the answer here as 0 tenths. What is the meaning of 10? Is 10 only 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 10. If you multiply any number with 0, your answer is 0. This is equals to 0. The value of the digit 0 is 0 only. Let's see the next question here. 3 hundreds, 10 ones is dash ones. He is asking, you have to write down the number as ones. Ones means 1. First, we will write down what is our number here. The number is 300. 300 means 3 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 300. 10 ones. Ones means 1. 10 multiplied by 1. That is equals to 10. So my total number is 300 and plus 10. If I add it here, 310, my answer is 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 3. My number is 310. I have to write down this number 310 as dash ones. Ones means 1. If I have to get my number again, I have to multiply that with 1. That means my number will be 310 ones. Let's write down the answer here as 310 ones. That will be your answer. Let's see the next question here. 750 is the same as. Let's read all the options first. 75 tens. First we will understand that what does it mean. 75 tens means 10. Let's multiply that with 10. This will be 75 multiplied by 10. What will be your answer? 75 multiplied by 1 is 75 only and the 0 here. Let's see the second option here. 7 tens, 50 ones. Let's write it here. What is the value for 7 tens? 7 tens is 7 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 70. 50 ones. Ones is 1. 50 multiplied by 1 is equal to 50 only. Let's add them here. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. My answer is 120. Let's see the third option here. 7 tens, 5 ones. Let's write down the answer here first. 7 tens is 7 multiplied by 10, which is 70. 5 ones is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. If I add both of them, my answer will be 70 and 5. 5 plus 0 is 5 and 7 as it is. My answer is 75 here. Let's see the fourth option here. 70 tens, 5 ones. Let's substitute the values here first. 70 tens is 70 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 1 times 7 is 7 and there are 2 zeros here. 5 ones is 5 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 5. If I add it, my answer is 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 and 7. Which is my right option? I have to make the number 750. I received 750, 120, 75 and 705. Which is the correct option? First option, right? 75 tens is the right option. Let's take this answer here. That is my answer. How many hundreds are there in 1000? He is asking us how many hundreds. That means you have to separate 100 out of that. 100 has how many zeros? 100 has 2 zeros. From that, I need to separate 2 zeros out of that. Let's separate out of that. Let's write down 10 separately and 100 separately. This 100 will be written as 10 hundred in the words. My answer will be 10 hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? There are 10 hundreds. What is the right option I have? This is 100, 10 and 1000. My answer is second option. Let's take the second option here. Let's see the next question here. 6 hundreds is the same as dash tens. So he's telling you to write down in terms of tens. Tens means 10. Out of 600, I have to separate 10. First, write down 600 in the numerical numbers first. 600 will be written as 6 multiplied by 100. That is equals to 600. I have to separate tens. That means I have to separate 1 0 out of that. This will be written as 60 multiplied by 10. This 10 will be written as tens. Let's write down here 60 tens. 600 is the same as 60 tens. What is my right option out of that? My right option is option 3. Let's take the third option here. Let's see the next question here. How many tens are there in the following numbers? I have to write down each number as tens. Tens means 10. I separated out 10 out of my number. Let's write down the number first. 300 will be written as 30 times 10. So 10 is tens. What is my number left? My number left is 30. Let's write down here answer as 30 tens. Let's see the next part here. 860 is dash tens. Tens means I have to separate 10 out of that. This will be written as 86 multiplied by 10. 10 is tens, so my number is 86. Let's write down here 86 tens. Let's see the third part here. 1000. 1000 is dash tens. I have to separate 10. This will be written as 100 multiplied by 10. This 10 is tens. My number will be 100 only. This will be written as 100 tens. Let's see the next part here. In 467, the digit 7 stands for. The digit 7 stands for. Which is that digit? The digit 7 is at ones place. So the digit 7 stands for 7 ones. That will be your answer. Let's see the second question here. In 805, the digit dash is in the tens place. Which digit is at tens place? This is ones place, this is tens place. Tens place is number 0. Let's write down the answer here as 0. 0 is in the tens place. Let's see the third question here. In 583, the digit in the hundreds place is. Hundreds places, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. 100 place, the digit is 5. Let's write down the answer as 5 here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.